apologist. Nigga, please, that mean you love fuck y'all when they from disease. You chat so much fuck we just can't believe. When they're high school, you must get plenty ease. Next thing you get 0 out of 10 for. Turn y'all back, we are going at the center. When y'all back, we are back to their center. That means saying a y'all back to you are enter. Oh man, I roll deep and them hold deep, you not going well. You're peeping a man, you soon start smell. You could all have tasty, you never can tell. You're no bad man, you're bad man shell.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? There was a rumor going around saying Assassin was slapped in the face by Vybz Kartel, but the rumor is not true. Assassin later replied on his Twitter saying, "No man can't diss me."
Well, Assassin is a DJ where the people rate lyrics. You know we have believe the way separate him. Riding like with the steeple chase. So me want know about them. Make we pre the case. I must see true me now bleach me face. And true certain things you can't give me for taste. Me now buy the charts them. Not cheat the race. No we now pick up no freaky ways. You are run the place.
What the deal? Late last month, Mr. Lexx was at the airport expecting to leave for a show in the US, but he was turned back and told his visa was revoked.
It really affected me monetarily and everything because I had a bunch of shows coming up. But you know what? Having a visa or a green card is a privilege, and I just treat it as just another privilege that I don't have for now. Yeah, I had a run-in with the law in America in 2009, and the entity which I was affiliated with, in fear of what the outcome might have been, they canceled the visa in their best interests. And so therefore, it's a work permit, and I'll just have to reapply for another one. So for now, I'm in the elite group of artists who can't go to America for now.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel UK tour was cancelled because his visa application was denied, and he is trying to reschedule his tour for June.
Makes me fly without visa. Don't give me coke or crack or rum. Cigarette smoke is just no good. I am just a man. Makes me fly without visa. Don't give me coke or crack or rum. Cigarette smoke is just no good. Hit me high to another level. Smoke to death by sea. Reborn a seven. If you no see me gonna heavy. It's a sea hall, me the marijuana devil.
What the deal? The man who was accused of shooting Mad Cobra gets to walk free because there wasn't enough evidence against him.
Beg your chance! That is the cry of the youths. Mad Cobra don't respond to no no do. Defending ghetto youths, yeah? The Cobra moon. I used to give the youths a blind. Listen to their cry. Nose off of them and them baggers and fire. Have we in the dark? Have we them alive? Some way I feel get past.
What the deal? Bounty Killer traffic offense was delayed until June 13.
Me done with the NEC, ready for them, me see. Yeah, a little bit, make me tell you know where me see. Now for them a hypocrite and one like them a friend, you see. No chance, none of them can pretend, you see. Well, we had the rum blood, give me back me Hennessy. If the one beanie ever call me name again, you see. Me now do no more sting, all the one lane, you see. Me left them in no problem, you see. Well, not do it for myself, me a do it for me mama. Me side me done put you through enough drama. Now go no more court, go to about your runner. You know me now go swing no more hammer.
What the deal? Lisa Hype signed a 3-year management deal with In the Dark Productions. The project aims to streamline her unique dancehall sound and tap into opportunities in the international market.
Oh, we are from the place now. The man them love off with you face now. Whether you're black girl, whether you're brown, walk out in the crowd from your bed, make your proud cause. Oh, we are from the place now. The man them love off with you face now. Whether you're black girl, whether you're brown, walk out in the crowd from your bed, make your proud cause. Some girl try hard. Watch them man like security guard. If a man style me give a round of applause. Then follow Rihanna and find a rude boy cause me nah bar like Sophia. Cause me up this to get not chocha.
What the deal? Stefan Marley has released his third solo project. The album is called Revelation Part 1, The Root of Life from Ghetto Youth. He is also releasing a second album in the fall, and this one is called Revelation Part 2, The Fruit of Life.
Educate yourselves of Africa. To liberate yourselves, Africa. Keep your heads up high. No more will we cry. Our history, the great story, Africa.
What the deal? Risto Benji was shot several times by a gunman in an area known as Vietnam in Church Pen around 10 p.m. He was later taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
we've lost yet another artist. Veteran reggae artist Risto Benjamin was shot and killed last night as he sat in front of a building in Old Harbor.
Make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music, news, and mixtape. It is easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Bad man around for him, farmer none at all. Bad man put your AK over the wall. Wrong man in the buff, you hold them go call. Bad man put your AK over the wall. No boy coulda never lift your mother none at all. Bad man put your AK over the wall. Take we simple and think we come small. Bad man put your AK over the wall.